Welcome to New York Botanical Garden. Today we're heading inside the conservatory to experience something truly special, the Orchid Show. This year's exhibit is called Concrete Jungle, created by incredible artist Mr. Flower Fantastic. A dazzling floral dreamscape inspired by New York City, thousands of orchids transformed into iconic city scenes. Here's the artist's QR code if you want to learn more. Mr. Flower Fantastic is known for blending flora sculptures into street culture. And in fact, he doesn't wear the mask to hide his identity. He actually wears it because he's allergic to flowers. Oh wow, this is incredible. It actually looks like a classic New York townhome, but completely covered in orchids. The details are unreal. Even the little trash can. Look at that. Everything is carefully designed. It's honestly breathtaking. And it smells amazing in here. You can see so many different types of orchids and plants, different shapes, different colors, different patterns. Look at these beautiful orchids. Listen closely. It sounds like they are playing bird sounds. Such a nice little touch. It really makes the space feel alive. Look up, hanging plants everywhere. The ceiling is filled with greenery and beautiful plants. Even the roof has flowers woven into it. It's incredible. Look at these beautiful orchids. The colors are amazing. They're growing on the roof of this little shed. Such an enormous variety of plants and flowers. Really beautiful. Wow, look at this tree covered with thorns. So beautiful. Those orchids almost look like velvet. So soft looking, so vibrant. All right, let's head upstairs. Let's get a bird's eye view of the place. Wow, this is awesome. From up here, you can really see the design come together. It's amazing how everything connects. A layer upon layer. Beautiful plants, orchids, you name it. Here's a nice bench area, perfect for photos. This entire exhibit is full of photo opportunities. Here's a beautiful fountain area. I love the sound of water. It's so calming. And a quick reminder, keep the change. No coins in this fountain. This fountain area is really beautiful, and lots of places to sit, relax, admire, take it all in. Look at this. a newsstand. How they added those beautiful orchids draped down the side of that. It's so precious and beautiful. Green thumbs not required. That's clever. Here's an orchid guide, and this section is called Orchid Avenue. You can see so many varieties here. It's like a full spectrum of colors, almost like a rainbow made of flowers. I guess that's Mr. Flower Fantastic's monogram. Very cool. Let's keep going down this path. We're headed into the tunnel now. We were just in the rainforest area, and now we're in the desert. Such a cool transition. They have mixed orchids with desert plants. Oh, those are nice hanging plants. Pretty. Oh, that's cute. It's up there of the Americas Avenue. Orchid Avenue Station. Look at these air plants and all these different cacti. Some of them look like they're about to bloom. Very cool. And surprisingly, it's not super hot in here. Kind of like a mild desert winter. Very comfortable. Now we're headed into the special collection area. Let's see what's in here. Wow, this is beautiful. So many different orchids in one place. Every color you can imagine. Purple, yellow, white. It really feels like a full floral rainbow. And now back to the New York theme. Look at this, it's a pizzeria. $0.99 for a slice of pizza. That's so cool. And this artist really knows the detail and design. Such a beautiful work of art. Oh, over here is a laundromat. And inside each machine, flowers! Oh my gosh, this is so creative. $5 operation instruction. Another bench here, perfect place to sit, relax, or grab a photo. Another New York style, beautiful white orchids. And look at this, a dumpster filled with orchids. Probably the best smelling dumpster you'll ever see. And now on this side is a car wash. This is awesome. And it has a New York City taxi cab going into it for a wash. How creative. And this is really cool. A New York style steam pipe with steam actually coming out of the top of it. And look at this, scaffolding structures, just like the ones you would see all over New York City, but covered with orchids. And here we are at the bus stop. Looks like this is another perfect spot for a photo op. And it's just gorgeous. The artist really did such an amazing job. Every detail, every scene, beautifully done. It really captures the spirit of New York City, but in the most unexpected way. So many blooms, so many varieties, such a unique experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and since you're down there, make sure you're subscribed and tap that notification bell so you're notified whenever I post my next adventure. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!